Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be looking at your energies for the month of October 2021. In this reading I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest. If this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Alright, let's see what is there for my Capricorns for the month of October 2021. Let's see. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. Okay, Capricorns, October 2021. Capricorns, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus, October 2021. So at the back of the deck we have the Eight of Swords for you. Okay, so you might be feeling stuck in a situation because you might have found something, you know. It could be like when we actually achieve something or achieve something in a situation or in a relationship, but you got it, but what after that? Okay, now what? Now where should I take this relationship towards? Now where should I take this career, my things? You have achieved something, but after that you feel stuck somewhere. Okay, so this is your energies, overall energy. In the past we have the Four of Pentacles in reverse, Page of Cups in reverse and the Star. So you could have left something in the past. You became a very positive person. From the past energies only, you have become a very different person of your own. You have stopped thinking. There was a time when you used to think a lot, or you used to, you know, whenever you went in a relationship, you were like, wow, this relationship would be really beautiful, this thing, you know. You kept on exaggerating your stuff in mind, and things didn't go that way. Whatever you planned in your head, in your mind, so you stopped it somewhere in the past and you became very different person, which you are now. You are really different from the past. Okay, Capricorns. In the present we have Knight of Pentacles, Six of Wands and the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Things might be going up, and you know, ups and downs might be going at present also. You might be feeling that you have achieved something somewhere, but again at some point you feel stuck, which I already told you. So yeah, in the coming future we have King of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Wands in reverse and the Wheel. So things, I don't see a lot of fast energies. Basically Capricorn's life is not very fast. They are sometimes stagnant, sometimes slow, but this slow energy always gives you some lessons, always, and it's really beautiful to look at each moment. You are able to grasp each moment in a very different way by other, you know, by other signs, in exception. Okay, so let's do the clarification. Okay, so for my Capricorns, what is there for my Capricorns, please? So tell me more about the Eight of Swords for my Capricorns, please. Tell me more about the Eight of Swords. What's there for my Capricorns? Knight of Pentacles, the Chariot and the King of Wands in reverse. See, as I already told you that you achieved something. There was something there was a situation in which you had to move on, and it was like a relationship, from a bad relationship. It could be a new job, it could be something. You moved away from that bad thing, you chose a different path, you started working on that. But now you feel that your life is becoming stagnant. You feel like there was a change, but again the change is ending. Okay, it's like the same things are repeating again, or you are stuck in the same situation. Things might be not really good. You might be dealing with a bad person around you also, so just stay away from a male or a female. It could be a fire sign, but yeah, things are really sometimes negative and sometimes positive. So it's like ups and downs going on in your life, and your thought process is also being actually is like that. Energy is there. It's either you are putting your energies in the wrong direction, or you are not able to put it in the right direction, but energies are there. Energies are high, Capricorn. You have that aura. Okay, tell me more about tell me more about the Page of Cups in the past energies for my Capricorns. Strength, Seven of Swords and Six of Swords. Okay, so it could be a betrayal in the past from which you moved away. It could be that is the reason, you stopped procrastinating, you stopped thinking a lot about the love life, about everything, and because of that you gained a lot of courage. So you stopped everything, you stopped to think about people, because you actually understood that people can change anytime. Anyone can betray you in this world. You really have thought about it, and you actually know about it. You have changed, Capricorns. A very beautiful change is coming. So this is a full transformation in you. Tell me more about the star energies. The World, Wheel of Fortune in reverse, and the Emperor. Major arcanas clarified for the star energy. This was big, Capricorns. It was not something small for you. It was big. Might be involving a father figure also. It could be a person who was very determined. You might be the one who felt determined because you actually wanted to take some actions. It could be you, it could be some other person around you because of whom you actually were also determined, very rigid for your decision making. Things might not be going your way, but you were determined. Your actions were fixed somewhere because you wanted to change your world. See the world energy. So this is the full transformation from the past to the present. There's a full transformation in you. Okay, so tell me more about the Knight of Pentacles in the present energies. Lovers in reverse, Page of Pentacles in reverse with the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. Might be in the finances stuff. You might be are in the middle of a decision making. You might be wanting to take a decision in regards with your finance, career, or job, or a relationship, but and you are not able to take you are not able to think from your head and mind both at the same time. So that is why the stuck energies are coming up. Stability is something which you are really yearning for at this time, and you want to give full commitment into anything you want. If you're wanting to change a job, to change your career, to change a path, you want to be determined fully in that thing. It could be the love situation also. If you want to go into a love thing, a commitment, you want to give your 100% to that person. That is why you know that you have come far this much, but now what? You are in that situation. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Tell me more about the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Why is this instability coming for my Capricorn? Six of Cups in reverse, Three of Wands, and the Three of Swords in reverse. So you have actually came from the past. There's a full transformation, Capricorns, but still some bad memories are there which you are carrying along with you in the present. You are not looking at them directly, okay? It's not like you are just always thinking about your past, but it's there. And you feel like it's there. You want to rub all the past. You want to hide it. You cannot hide it, obviously. But it's still there. And this is why your stuck energies are coming up in the present. Okay, so tell me more about the King of Pentacles in the future energies in reverse. Knight of Cups, Ace of Wands in reverse with the Five of Pentacles in reverse. there's a proposal coming towards you. There's somebody who is really liking the way you are, or the way you have transformed. So October month is a month of love, I feel. Yes, it's difficult for you to just let go of all the past energies, but you have came 80% of that way. The 20% is left, but you are really working on that too. So to live a life the way you want is the best thing you can do for yourself right now, is the best gift to you. So I feel that your energies might be not very high with this new person, if there's a person who is around you. If not, your energies are not really high for love thing right now, or in the coming month of October, but the love is around. Okay, love is around you. You have to just grab the right time for the right person. Sorry. Tell me more about the Two of Wands in reverse. Ace of Cups in reverse, Page of Wands in reverse, with the Ace of Swords in reverse. I feel that which I told you, the energy you have, you are not feeling the energy in the right way, or you are not putting the energy in the right way. So new opportunities are there. You are not seeing the opportunity. You have to seize it now. If opportunities are coming your way, you have to seize them, Capricorns, because it's your time. The October month is really, really beautiful for you. You have to seize the opportunity. You have to seize the time. You have to be in present. Okay, whatever is coming towards you is for your own good. Universe is helping you. You have to take the hints. Alright, so all the best for your October month, and this is all from my side. I just hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.